Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this out of frame video effect on CapCut PC. So get your video and you are just going to want to copy and paste it. On the second video, go to cutout and select auto cutout. And then you're going to select the first video again and you're just going to select mask and you're going to select film strip. Then I'm just going to add in a keyframe here and then I'm going to, oops, I lost my mouse. Add another keyframe here to make it so he is out of the frame. And that's it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!